Hey everyone, I have my nails all prepped, ready to go. Right here, I am holding the primer for the Luminary Nail Systems. I will be using their color called Clarity. It comes in the polish bottle and in the pot. I'm just going to apply the primer on my nails. Keep a brush on hand with you when working with this product. Apply the product close to the cuticle, rocking it back and forth down the nail. Take your small brush and then dip it into that pot of gel polish. Apply it near the cuticle area and then just smoothly brush down on the sides. This product is self-leveling, so once you think you have it at the right look you want, you can go ahead and cure that for a minute. Here is the process again. And the reason why I'm doing one nail at a time after I cure it is because sometimes the product pulls away from the cuticle, and once you do one nail and then move to the other nail, it can just be frustrating working with that. So that's why I like to do one nail at a time, working with the Luminary Nail Systems. Once you're done with each nail, you can cure that for 60 seconds. I have the hard gel on all of my nails on the hand that I'm working on. Right here, I am just shaping up my nails to help give them more of a clean and finished look right before I polish them. I'm using my e-file on my nails just to help get rid of any thickness and to make them look more smooth. Not all of my nails need this done, I'm just doing this on a couple of them and to show you how to do this. If you don't have an e-file, you can always just use a buffer and just buff them really well. When you're all done using the e-file, just wipe your nails with a lint-free wipe and your nails are ready to polish. Thank you again for watching, and if you want to see any future videos that you want to see me create, just leave them in the comments below.